you've invited me here. When you invite me, you've got to be prepared to hear the truth. The Nigerian political class, actually, unknown to themselves, the Nigerian political class is committing class suicide. The Nigerian political class has killed this country, and you guys should not let it happen. They are killing Nigeria. They are making this country look small. You guys in the civil society movement in Nigeria, you have a lot to do. Your political class, not only are they committing class suicide, and I will tell you why. Your political class in Nigeria are destroying the country. Here in Nigeria, immediately somebody leaves. You have been elected a governor of a party several times. You come to the National Assembly several times. You are a minister several times on a party. Some are even from minority leadership. Piam, they will say they are decamping. Leaving and abandoning the parties under whose mandate they won. And the constitution of this country is very clear. But the political class, as I will tell you shortly, why they are killing Nigeria. The judiciary is also helpless. But in Nigeria, it is all, everybody, it's either they say they are reading body language, or they will sing one song on your mandate. Because that's the president now. Under Buhari, it was the same. Whoever is there, our own democracy is the wishes and caprices of a president or a governor, not playing by the rules. And they don't even care what happens. They don't care how they look at Nigeria. The survival of our democracy cannot be guaranteed unless they have strong political parties. But because the parties are weak and the political class is destroying deliberately the institutions that will guarantee our democracy. You guys in the civil society movement have a lot more work. If somebody wants, a Nigerian politician wants to rig elections, they jump to the ruling party. They are not going to the ruling party because they like the policies of the party, of the government. They want to control INEC, isn't it? Yes. Because they don't believe in free and fair elections. So they want a party that the president will direct INEC to give them result sheets so that INEC can compromise the results for them. They want to write the results in their states, in their local government areas. So the Nigerian political class does not believe in free and fair elections. The Nigerian politician jumps to ruling parties so that the federal system can give them security operatives, army, police, DSS, to go and shoot and kill their people if they resist. So you see how much work you have to do? What most of these politicians who are never in touch with their people, they are not serving their people. They don't even relate with their people. They don't even go home. They don't even take the calls from their people. No. In fact, if their people come to see them, even in Abuja, they don't enter their house. Their houses are too big, too beautiful. Even when they go home, the people don't even access them. If they are there, they can throw some small money to them and they pass. They don't have their time. Why? Because they know they don't need them. And election after election, they have been bringing, true to the Nigerian system, a failed Nigerian federal system. That's a failed state. It's a failed state that can deploy operatives that should secure and protect citizens. Give them to politicians, say, go and rig a result and kill everybody and bring results. Is that not the hallmark of a failed country? Yes. Yes. And to us, that is normal among Nigerian politicians. That's normal. So, they don't believe in free and fair elections. They have no respect for the people and their safety. So, they take soldiers to kill them, police, DSS to kill them. And worst of all, they don't believe in the judiciary to do free and fair and administer impartial justice. No. They have no respect for the Nigerian judiciary. No, they don't care. All they know is they will tell the judiciary what judgment to give. And they will get it one way or the other. So you see, if you don't believe a politician or a group of politicians, a political class, you don't believe in free and fair elections, are you not working against yourself? Are you not committing class suicide? If you don't believe in due process and constitutionalism, you don't believe in the security agencies being supported to protect everybody, you're committing class suicide. If you don't believe that the judiciary has to be impartial and give fair judgments based on the facts and the law, not in accordance with who gives what, or who can promise what, and who is in position, that political class is not a serious one. They are committing class suicide.